Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and I make fashion and DIY sewing tutorials. But in today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink. So I actually had pink hair before my hair turned into this like white into faded pink ombre type of hair. I really liked it and I'm going to try to go back to that color. Honestly, I really like this color right now, but I feel like when my roots will grow out, it's going to be like a dark root in contrast to this like white hair, which I don't think will be that good, so I'm just going to dye it pink today. So for the dye that I'm going to be using, I actually have a like special mixture that I made. So to make this like grapefruit, raspberry, dusty pink kind of color, I actually mixed a bunch of dyes together. So I mixed this peachy coral from Crazy Color and the hot pink from Manic. This is so strong. Like if you put this directly on your hair, no good. So I mixed these two together and also added a bit of the Crazy Color in Ice Mauve to like make it a bit more dusty. And I also added some of my rose gold conditioner. I'm going to put this directly onto my root, and for the ends I'm actually going to mix this one with a bit of, this is like very diluted Manic hot pink. I'm going to mix these together and add a ton of conditioner to dilute it. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's a cute color. I'll just like feather it out, actually, if I brush it down. So, a funny bleach story. I actually bleached my own hair. I did the front, my mom did the back. Like I also had a shadow root done professionally by a hairstylist, and I wanted to sort of bleach that out also, like that I could have a sort of, like clean palette. Oh, it's splotchy. God. You know what? I'll just do my head this whole color. So much more fun. Yeah, so continuing my bleach story. So we sort of like bleached my hair twice because we wanted to remove the shadow root also. So we went on the roots with 30 volume. And then when that was all done, we went back on the roots and on the shadow root with like a 10 volume. And like I thought that it would be fine. But some of my hair fell out. Like you can't really see it because, well, I just slapped some dye on it. But I have like tiny hairs up here that are like short like this. Like a whole part of like my root, like around top of my head is like short, like 1 inch short. So don't bleach your hair at home. Don't be like me. I just like watching hair dyeing videos and like got influenced by it. And like doing hair is so fun. Should I just use my hands? You see, I took like an inch of hair and this is all I have of hair on my head. Am I the only one who like binge watches like hairdresser reacts videos and like people dyeing their hair? Like I've watched like all of Brad Mondo's videos, and also I don't know if you guys know her, but like another YouTuber that like dyes her hair very often, Nami Cho. I love her videos so much. They're also like educational and also entertaining at the same time. Oh, it's like turning like a coral pink to like a muted pink. So excited to have pink hair again. Oh, my sections are horrible. Oh my gosh. I just forgot to put my hair dyeing shirt on. I'll be back. Okay, let's continue. I feel like it doesn't look even. Ah well. That's what you get with a home dyeing. Don't forget the sideburns. I should take off my earrings too. I'm so not prepared for this. Like ever since I got my hair dyed, I feel like a lot more confident in myself. Like having dyed hair is so cool, honestly. I love it so much. If you guys want to dye your hair and like are scared of it, I was scared to dye my hair. I put it off for like almost 2 years, but it's so worth it. If you're able to like invest the time and like effort it is to maintain it, like it's totally worth it. I definitely recommend it. Like you see here, it's like not pink at all. So much brighter on camera. Wow. A lot more coral than I expected. So I'm gonna have coral roots with mauve ends. Oh. Okay, let's do the bangs. Oh, 外出たいの？ちょっと待って。Okay, 分かったよ。Can't open the door. はい、どうぞ。バイバイね。Like, I'm putting dye, but it still looks blonde. Do you see that? Why? Go, go, go. See how much more pink my roots are? Oof. That's because I over bleached it. Like another reason why I always wanted to have pink hair, I've said this in like my Q&A, but one of my biggest inspirations is Mei Yan. She used to be called Princess Mei on YouTube, but she changed it to her full name, and she's like a beauty YouTuber. Like she's the one that inspired me to like have my own style and like have an interest in fashion. She has her like signature pink hair. I've always wanted to be like her, so. And also pink is my favorite color. I hope I have enough dye for my whole head. If I run out of dye, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. So now it's time for the back. I'm gonna get my mirror to do this. So I actually ran out of dye, so I like mixed up some more, but don't even have any more coral, and that's like most of what's on my head. I just mixed like some rose gold with like the Manic and some conditioner, and I don't know, let's just hope it turns out okay. Okay, so I'm done dyeing my hair. It's actually like a lot brighter than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it would be a lot more dusty. And I'll show you the back. My back and the front will probably not turn out the same color, but I will. You know, fun. So yeah, I'm going to leave this dye on my head for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And hopefully it turns out even. Okay, are you guys ready? Like this turned out a lot better than I expected. Like, wow. I thought it was gonna be very, very like bright pink at the roots and then like dark at the ends, but surprisingly the color is like pretty even. Wow. I also washed my hair with Fanola No Yellow shampoo, which is like a purple shampoo. Like it looked like a warm tone pink on the roots, and I wanted to tone it down with the purple shampoo. And I also conditioned with my rose gold conditioner because in the back I did a different color. Actually, I didn't even see the back yet. Like, does it look, I don't think it looks that different from the front. I don't know. What do you guys think? There are some spots that didn't take the color as well, like this part over here, and some parts are like still white on top, especially on this side. I mean, overall it looks pretty good. I really like it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this week's video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you like these sort of hair DIY videos, because if you do, I'll keep on making them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!